We must not be cruel,
Egoistic.
egoistic, because India is the only country most of the people have kindness and they don't have much egoistic, because and these things, what is the source of these things? Because these things comes from our culture and our nature, because we are living in a India kind of country and we are following a tons of year ago ritual and culture. But when we see the scientific region of the culture, they, these things always makes us better, and these are very helpful for our life, and because these things improve our lifestyle and our health, because if we see everything, they are organized in such a way, and these things are celebrated, and what kind of things we are making at that particular festival and things. So everything, you will find everything is behind a scientific reason. So if we come to the kindness person, so kindness is not comes in a moment and in a single moment and a single work and a single things, because when any kids born in a family, so he look at everything, whatever going on in his family, and he learn from his family. So, but if their mother and father are also doing the wrong things, so that kids feeding the wrong data in their mind. So it depends on the family condition. What kind of family condition are you living, and what kind of knowledge are you filling up your mind? We can say what kind of knowledge that children inculcate in his mind. So, but kindness how comes? Because we have lots of example. Let's say Ramayana, Mahabharata, yeah. If we take the example of Ramayana, Ravan kidnapped the Sita. She was a wife of Ram, but even though Ram also gave a chance to Ravan, if he comes to him and he is guilty for his mistakes, so he will definitely forgive him. But Ram was egoistic. So we can learn from this story what is the kindness and what is the egoistic. If you are totally egoistic and you are totally out of your sense and your mind, so you will destroy everything. So if you are doing anything, so always be in your sense of mind, because a person always make a wrong in their life if he is out of their mind and out of their sense. So let's take an example. When we get angerness and we get depressed, we are totally out of our mind, because we can say lots of example when we fell in a fire and we are very angry, we abuse each other. Even most of the kids abuse their parents, and most of the means that time we don't know what we are saying and what we are, because India is a country, we believe if we are saying something, so it may be true. It may be true. So these kind of things comes in our nature and our culture, in which environment we are living. But how person become a kindness and a tool, so it depends on the your environment and your condition. If your condition is like you are going through lots of issue in your daily life and you don't have enough money and resources, so you will become more clever in your life, because they don't have enough source. you will find that person are very clever, and that person don't care about the other person. So most of the people say you don't care about the other person, you don't have kindness or thing, but they don't have thing because they have to survive their life, and they have to manage these things. So that's why they bypass the kindness things. If we come to the egoistic person, so egoistic is like every person is here have a ego. Let's say two person are walking on a street, and and they are against the direction. If they hit each other, even though they hit very slowly, means we can say it's not a big issue, but we get very angry, how you touch me, how you push me. So and most of the people start fighting at that moment. And also if you crash your vehicle with other person, so we thought how that person can hit their vehicle in my bike, my car. Even most of the person, if let's say somebody comes to you and he slap you very
Slowly.
slowly, yeah, very politely. So if he is an unknown person, you will get more anger, and you are ready that time. If you have a gun, you will thought, I will take out that in my pocket and I can shoot you, because I have gone through this kind of things. I don't know what time this kind of things come in our mind, because it's these kind of things are not in a single moment and not a one day, because it comes because I have been living in such an environment where these kind of things never I have been never taught how can I handle these things. So kindness and egoistic always depends on the family culture and condition where we are living. So how can we become a kindness, and how can we overcome the egoistic person? So first we need to improve our knowledge. First we need to understand what is the importance of everything in our life. What am I? What I am, and what let's say what my what is the my aura in amongst the people. And let's say and means kindness is always we have to understand, if someone is going through any kind of situation, we always take that situation on ourselves, and then we can be crystal clear. Oh, that person is going through this situation. If I were with there that situation, of course I will be facing that issues. So we can understand clearly what situation someone is facing, and then we will be kindness. So you take every situation on yourself, and then judge anyone. So you will be kindness. And how can we overcome the egoistics? So egoistic is not gonna away in one day and 2 day and 1 month. So it will of course take a long time. So first we need, because things, because nowadays people always try and very quickly everything. So because everything takes time. Everything has your own step. First step, second step, third step. So you can't do in your first shot. You need to work hard on your anything. No matter what kind of things are there. If we come to the egoistic things, so how first you need to find the root cause of the egoistics. Ego always comes in our inside. Means you have to find ego is not the outside in the world. It is always ego is it persists in my mind, and my mind and when I get angry, and I'll be in egoistic things. So you need to find the root cause. When someone is talking against my thing, so my ego is increasing, and I feel hurts, and someone is showing me my weakness point, so my ego hurts. So even though person is right and he's correcting me, but I always take against of my ego. So first we need to understand most of the other person who is talking against you means they are directly or indirectly helping you. So you are the only person you can help you, and you can be kindness, because and you can overcome the egoistic things, because we can't say we have a simple these step, because if we go to online, we will get more of the knowledge things, but how can we implement, because there is no single kind of things. If we implement this, and we will get away of anything, because we need to first find out what is the root cause, and how can I overcome this, because someone help you, but you can implement yourself. So start implementing yourself, and your work will pay you off, and you will definitely get success in your future. Thank you.